Welcome back to my channel.
Dialogue 1. When are we going to stop?
We'll stop at the next McDonald's.
How far away is that?
I think we'll be there in half an hour.
I hope so. I have to go to the bathroom.
Well, I can always pull over.
No, thank you. I'll just wait.
We can kill two birds with one stone.
What do you mean?
While you're using the bathroom, I'll order some food.
Don't order for me. I'm not hungry.
I'm very hungry. I'll order for you, and then I'll eat yours.
Dialogue 2. This is such a long light.
Look how many cars are waiting in line.
They need a left turn arrow.
Only 2 cars can make a left turn every 3 or 4 minutes.
We'll be here forever.
Get out of this lane.
But we need to turn left.
Forget it. Go straight.
Then what?
Then we'll just make a U-turn.
And then we can turn right at the light.
Good idea. It will be so much quicker.
Dialogue 3. I need a cheap car.
How much money do you have?
$1,000.
Well, that should get you something.
But I need something that's reliable.
You need a car with low mileage.
A car that was owned by a little old lady.
Where have you looked?
I haven't looked anywhere yet.
Why not?
Because I'll never find one for such a low price.
You're right about that. Keep saving your money. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment.
Dialogue 4. Good afternoon, officer.
Your driver's license and registration, please.
Here you go.
Do you know why I pulled you over?
I have no idea. All of a sudden I heard your siren.
You rolled through that stop sign back there.
But I stopped.
No, you didn't. You slowed down, but you didn't come to a full stop.
Well, nobody else does, so why should I?
That's not the attitude of a good driver.
But I am a good driver. I've never had a ticket in my life.
Well, you've got one now. Here. Have a nice day.
Dialogue 5. $140. I can't believe it.
What are you talking about?
I got a ticket downtown for $140.
Were you speeding?
No, I was crossing the street.
Were you jaywalking?
No, I was in the crosswalk.
So why did you get a ticket?
The officer said the red hand was blinking.
Was it blinking when you entered the crosswalk?
No, The white walk sign was blinking.
You should fight that ticket. I'll be your witness.
Dialogue 6. They were in a crosswalk near school at 3 a.m.
Who?
2 students from USC.
What happened?
A speeding car ran a red light, killing the girl.
What happened to the other student?
He landed on the hood of the car.
Did he get off the hood?
No, the car stopped and the passenger pushed the injured student off the hood.
I'll bet the car continued on its way.
Of course it did. Why stop after you've run over 2 people?
I hope they find them and put them in jail for life.
Dialogue 7. What happened to your car?
I got a dent in the parking lot.
How did you get it?
I don't know. Maybe it was from a shopping cart.
Those shopping carts are dangerous.
Especially the metal ones.
I don't park at a store that uses metal shopping carts.
That's a good idea, but there was a good sale at this store.
Did you save any money on the sale?
Yes, I did. I saved about $50.
That's great.
Yes, except this dent will cost about $150. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment.
Dialogue 8. Did you see Titanic?
Yes. It is a great movie.
I saw it 12 times.
I saw it 8 times.
I have the DVD.
So do I.
Let's go to your home.
We can watch my DVD.
And then we can go to my home.
And watch your DVD.
I always cry at the end.
Me too. It's so sad.
Dialogue 9. Let's play cards.
I don't know any card games.
I'll teach you one.
Okay. What will you teach me?
It's called poker.
Is it easy to learn?
Yes, it will only take about 30 minutes.
Okay. Teach me how to play.
We each get 5 cards.
Oh, look. I have 4 tens.
That's great, but you're not supposed to tell me.
Oh. Sorry. Okay, I don't have 4 tens.
Dialogue 10. I'm a good card player.
Why is that?
Because I watch the other players.
What do you mean?
People will tell you if they have a good hand.
How do they do that?
For example, a friend of mine licks his lips.
When he licks his lips, you know he has a good hand?
I know he has a good hand, so I don't bet.
He never wins your money?
Nope, and it drives him crazy.
He knows you can't read his mind. Maybe he thinks you're cheating.
Dialogue 11. Turn the radio down, please.
But I'm listening to it.
Well, listen to it more quietly.
I can't wait till I grow up.
What will you do?
I will play the radio as loud as I want.
That's okay with me.
I will have a radio in every room of my house.
Remind me to never visit you.
All the radios will be on extra loud.
Your neighbors will hate you.
If they don't like it, they can move. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment.
Dialogue 12. I hope I win the lotto.
Your chances are very small.
But you can't win if you don't play.
Ha! You can't win if you do play.
Someone has to win.
That's what everyone says.
It might as well be me.
That's what everyone says.
You're trying to tell me something.
That didn't take long.
You think I should quit playing.
Save your money for school.
Dialogue 13. What's on TV?
Nothing much.
What about the baseball game?
It got rained out.
Rained out?
Yes, rained out.
How could that be?
Well, you can't play baseball in a rainstorm.
I thought they were playing under a dome.
The dome doesn't close.
Why doesn't it close?
Who knows? They said they'll fix it before next season.
Dialogue 14. Can I try your coffee?
Sure. Here you go.
That's not bad.
There's nothing in it.
What do you mean?
I mean, it's just coffee.
I figured that.
It's not too bitter for you?
It's a little bitter, but it's okay.
There's no sugar or cream in it.
No, it's a taste you have to get used to.
Sort of like beer.
Dialogue 15. Let's take a walk.
What's the weather like?
Let me step outside and see.
It's a little chilly, right?
Yes, it is.
I'll put on my cap.
Wear a jacket, too.
I wonder if I should bring my gloves.
Maybe you should, just in case it gets colder.
I'll put a glove in each pocket.
We'll get warmer as we walk.
Yes, but it gets colder as the sun goes down.